Hi everybody and welcome. For today's video, we're going to be using my son's teddy bear to demonstrate the installation of chest clips on your Keenz stroller wagon. As you can tell, sometimes smaller or more petite passengers will have ability to escape from their 5-point harness. To prevent this from happening, we recommend buying third-party chest clips from your favorite retailer. This set was purchased off of Amazon. To start the process of installing your chest clip, simply start by detaching your shoulder straps from the center buckle. Once your straps are detached, go ahead and remove the shoulder padding and set those aside. Now, depending on the type and style of chest clip that you have purchased, your installation may look a little different. Mine installs by simply attaching my straps into these side clamps. So regardless of the style or brand that you have, go ahead and install that onto your shoulder straps as indicated on the manufacturer instructions. Once your chest clips are installed, go ahead and reattach your shoulder straps back to the center buckle. Your process is now complete and your Keenz is ready for your little one to have a safe and comfortable ride. Remember to adjust the chest clip to a safe and comfortable position for your passenger. And that is it, a simple yet effective method for keeping your little escape artist safe and comfortable in your Keenz. Thanks for watching.